Hello everyone. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. May peace be upon you. So, how was the test? Easy? Not so easy? Okay, so congratulations to everyone because all of you can submit the test within the allocated time. Okay, and I can see some improvement can be made. Okay, for your next maybe quiz or your final exam. Okay, so actually for your midterm exam, I created 8 different sets of questions. 8 different sets of questions, and each of you is allocated to answer a specific set of questions. Okay, so for the explanation of the answer here, for the first question, I will use the question from set 1. Okay, and for the next question, question number 2, I will use the question from set number 8. Okay, and at the end of this video, I will provide all the answers for all the sets. Okay, so that you can check your answer whether it is correct or not. Okay, but for the calculation method, the process is same, only the number is different. Okay, okay, so let's get started. So let's look at question 1 from set number 1. Okay, a hot balloon which exerts a vertical force P is secured by 3 cables. If the tension in the cable AB, so where is AB? This one, So tension in cable AB here, 550 Newton. Determine the magnitude of P, this one. F A to C, and F A D. Okay. Make sure you draw the free body diagram, determine the coordinate and the unit vector. Clearly stated, you need to have everything. Free body diagram, coordinate, unit vector. Okay. So, let's look at the free body diagram. Very simple. You just change the cable to arrow. That's it. And then you label the force. FAB, FAC, FAD, and P. Okay. So this is the free body diagram. Like this, Okay. So, each line here represents 0.5 marks. And the labeling here, FAB, AC, AC, and P here, is another 0.5, which is why this one is 1, 1, 1, 1. So the total mark is 4. Okay. Okay, so most of you got this one correct. Some of you didn't draw the arrow, so I need to deduct the mark. Okay. So what about the coordinate for set number 1? Okay, this one, So, for coordinate A here, we only have this one here, Z direction here, 6 meter, so positive 6. For B here, you only have Y direction, but it is in negative direction, so negative 8 here. And then for C, okay, so we have X direction is this one, from here to here, which is 3. And then Y direction is from here to here, okay, which is 2. So that's why 3, 2, and no Z direction, so 0 Z. And then for D here, we only have X direction only, but in the negative direction. So negative 2.500. Most of you got this one correct. Okay. Until only one person only confused about this one, 3 and 2. Okay. So, each of these coordinate is equals to 1 mark each. Okay, so next, what to do? Next, you need to calculate the unit vector before you can change it to a force. Okay, for the unit vector. Okay, look at this unit vector. Okay. To calculate unit vector, first you must have the direction. Okay, direction over the magnitude of the direction. So, for unit vector A to B here, you must have the direction, which is RAB. To calculate RAB, you need to do B minus A. Okay. Some of you did a mistake here. Okay. To calculate RAB, the mistake is he or she, I don't know, I forget. Did A minus B. No, must be B minus A. Okay. So, this is the direction and this is the magnitude. Okay. So, this one 1 mark, this one 1 mark, and then the final answer, this one is 1 mark. Okay. So, each of these unit vectors here, okay, contains 3 marks, 3 marks, and also 3 marks. Okay, clear? Okay. So, next, after you get the unit vector, then you can multiply it with the force, okay, to change the force into IJK form. Okay. So, your force here is this one. Okay. So, UAB multiply with FAB. Then you can get FAB in vector, which is this one. Okay. And then, so this one here is 2 marks. Okay. And then because it mentioned in the question, FAB is 550 Newton, this one. Therefore, you need to multiply this one here with 550 Newton. Then you can get this answer. Okay, which is 0I, negative 440J, negative 330K. Okay. So, this one here will also be 2 marks. Okay, this one 2 marks. And then for FAC, you just multiply the unit vector with FAC. Then you can get this one. Same with FAD. So this one also 2. This one is 2. Okay. And then for P here. Okay. P here. So the direction is in Z direction only. So we only have Z direction, which is P. Okay. The magnitude is also P. Okay. No magnitude in X direction. No magnitude in Y direction. No, so only this one. Okay. And I don't know why, quite a number of you did P is equals to summation of FAB, FAC, FAD, which is not wrong, correct, but it is not my way to solve this question. Okay, I don't know how you get this kind of method. Okay. Okay, so after we get all the forces in IJK form. So, because it is in equilibrium, okay, means that the total of force is equals to 0. Okay. So, the total of force in X direction equals to 0, Y equals to 0, Z also equals to 0. So, you just combine everything. Okay, so I here we have 0, this one, and also this one. So, you combine everything, you write down here, okay, for Fx. So, if you can get this one correct, you can get 4 marks. This one 4 marks, 4 marks here, Fy also 4 marks, Fz also 4 marks, okay. If you did mistake in positive and negative, okay, that one not 0 mark lah, okay. If you did supposed to be positive but you put negative, I will deduct half of the mark. Okay, so it will be 0.5. Okay, so this one equation here 4 mark each, each is 4 mark. Okay, so now we have 3 equations and also 3 unknowns. So we can solve this question using calculator. Okay. So, if you use your calculator to solve these 3 equations here, the answer will be FAC is 1540 Newton, FAD 1760 Newton, and P is 3234 Newton. Okay? So, you got everything correct? Most of you did this one very good. Okay, most of you can do this question. Okay, question number 1. Okay, so next I will show you all the answers, okay, for all the sets of questions. So please check. Okay. So how was the answer? Okay, you got it correct or not? Okay, so you can compare your answer with the answer scheme to check the solution, and then you can check the answer also. Okay, so for question number 2, so please check the link at the description down below, or you can also select video here. Okay, select this video also for question number 2. Okay, so please check question number 2. See you again in the next video. Bye bye.